dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Hassan, and I'm here to give you some more techniques, tips, and methods for your Viva's examination. Oral examination is part of every degree, and many students all over Pakistan, even in global world, appear to get their degrees. But when they come to the phase of the Vivas, they are completely confused and they have different sort of questions. So this small and meaningful video is going to release all your attentions. Here we are trying to give you some encouraging tips, enthusiastic ideas how to clear your Vivas with confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, Vivas is basically a part of our degree and it is compulsory. We cannot qualify any degree, we cannot get any certificate of any degree until we get our Vivas in a very clear way. So most of the students approach me and they have asked me different questions to prepare a video for their oral examination. First of all, students should not be in a position to discourage themselves. It is just an examination, and Vivas is basically an important component of your degree. And it comes out of all your subjects you have learned, you have studied during your courses. And first of all, focus upon the panel of the teachers. What type of teachers are sitting in the examination? Understand their psychology, understand their temperament, and what subject they have taught during their classes. Focus upon them. So I have some tips to the students. Number one, when you are part of the Vivas, you should not be in t-shirts. Wear formal clothes. Number one, get well dressed. Number second, look confident. Confidence plays a big role in your learning. When you are less confident, when you are not confident, you cannot demonstrate your skills and knowledge properly. First of all, be confident. Then, speak in English. Do not speak in Sindhi, Urdu, Saraiki because you are tested. You are examined completely. So be confident and understand question attentively. Listen whatever the questions are asked by the panels. Understand, listen attentively, and then respond and reply. If you don't understand, request the teachers to repeat it. Control your body language. Most of the students, they are twisting their hands, they are moving their legs and feet. So please don't do this. This is not a normal practice. It is basically a part of your examination to be confident. Control your body language, control your hands, and answer directly to the questions. Do not beat about the bush. In case of descriptive reply, speak confidently. When you feel that you are shivering, hold your hands tightly. ही जगह कुर्सी है जिता बैठा है होता हो तिता परेशान था तो शिवरिंग थी ते डको था तो मेहरबानी करे एक हथ था जन वो ता कुर्सी के मजबूती सां जेको आहे न पकड़ियो झलियो कुर्सी के इंशाल्लाह ताला को मसलो न थींदो ता वाइवास क्लियर करे वेंदो. अच्छा, अवॉइड इररिलेवेंट क्वेश्चंस. आंसर जेके ता जा अचन था स्पेशली उनके माना इररिलेवेंट क़िस्म जा जवाब न दियो, रिलेवेंट दियो जवाब. एंड स्पेशली फोकस ऑन हिस्ट्री, ड्रामा, पोएट्री, नॉवेल, अमेरिकन लिटरेचर, classics in drama, linguistics, and various areas of linguistics. Moreover, I would suggest you, this is an idea, it depends upon the teachers what type of question they are going to ask. I just give you a general idea. Especially in criticism, go for basic concepts of literary criticism, qualifications of a good critic, definition of criticism given by different writers, definition of tragedy given by Aristotle, and stages of tragedy, poetics you must understand and go through it. Especially in history, you must focus on literary movements, literary forms and literary movements, sonnets, ballad, epic, and especially in movements we should focus on realism, naturalism, symbolism and other movements. Renaissance, work on forms of literature too. Figures of speech, we should focus on figure of speech, and teachers of linguistics may be focusing on psycholinguistics, research methodology, phonetics, phonology, semantics, lexical relations, stylistics, morphology, TESOL, phoneme, phonetics. Now these are some of the areas which I share in light of my experience. Teachers may have different questions. So dear students, I'm very much optimistic that this small meaningful video may change your perspective and may remove all your fears and anxieties in a jiffy. So we are trying to help you out with cheerful ideas, with meaningful thoughts. So stay blessed. Hopefully this will clear your all confusions. For more educational videos and literary videos, social videos, cultural videos, kindly subscribe this channel, and you will come to understand with lot of ideas regarding literature, linguistics, sociology and other subjects. Thank you so much. God bless you all.